Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to run Android TV on your PC with a dual boot setup. Quick, easy and fully updated for 2025. I'll walk you through the complete installation, the best settings and step-by-step instructions so you can enjoy a smooth Android TV experience on your computer. And make sure you don't skip or exit early, because at the end of the video I'll also show you how to fix the bootloader error that many people face after installation. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Android TV ISO. Open the Internet Archive website from the results. Scroll down until you find the ISO image, then click on it. Select the file that is 932 megabytes and start downloading it. Now we need to create a new 10 GB partition on your PC. Check which drive has at least 10 GB of free space. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Disk Management. Find the partition you want to shrink, right-click it. Select Shrink Volume. Enter 10,000 to create a 10 GB partition and click Shrink. Now right-click the unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. Name it as you like and your new 10 GB partition is ready. Next, open Chrome again and search for Rufus. Open the first website. Scroll down and download the latest version of Rufus. After downloading, run Rufus and insert your USB drive. Rufus will automatically detect the USB. Click Select and choose the Android TV ISO file. Do not change any other settings, just click Start. Your USB will now become bootable. If it doesn't work, try switching from GPT to MBR. After that, restart your PC. Open the boot menu by pressing your boot key. For me, it is F12. If you don't know yours, simply search it on Google. Select your USB drive. If you see a UEFI mode option, choose UEFI mode. Select Installation. Then choose the 10 GB partition we created for Android TV. Press enter and format it as X4. Once formatting is done, it will ask about installing the EFI Grub 2 bootloader. Click Yes. After installation, run Android TV and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Congratulations! Your Android TV is now ready. You can also use your mobile phone as a remote. Open the Google Play Store and search for Android TV Remote. Install the app. Open it. Select your Android TV and enter the pairing code shown on your laptop. Your remote is now successfully connected. If you restart your PC and the Grub bootloader appears, but Windows is not listed, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. Select UEFI firmware settings. Go to boot sequence. You will see all available bootloaders here. Select the Windows Boot Manager and move it to the top of the list. Click Apply and Exit. Your Windows should now boot normally. If this video was helpful for you, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for more updates.